Loving and respecting your partner is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. In this video, we'll talk about the practical ways to cultivate mutual understanding, appreciation, and consideration in your partnership. Relationships thrive when both individuals prioritize each other's needs, communicate openly, and approach challenges with empathy and compassion. By fostering an environment of mutual respect and care, you can create a foundation for a fulfilling, long-lasting connection. Let's get into it and discover how to nurture the love and respect that your relationship deserves. Respect is a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship, whether it's a romantic partnership, a friendship, or a family bond. It's the foundation upon which trust, understanding, and mutual growth are built. When you respect your partner, you appreciate their unique qualities, support their aspirations, and value their opinions and feelings. Respect in a relationship means that both partners feel heard, understood, and validated. It involves actively listening to each other, being open and honest in communication, and making decisions together. Respecting your partner also means accepting their differences, respecting their boundaries, and never using manipulation or coercion to get what you want. On the flip side, if you feel that your partner does not respect you, it's essential to address the issue directly and communicate your feelings. A lack of respect can manifest in various ways, such as belittling, dismissing your opinions, or taking advantage of your trust. If your partner constantly disrespects you and is unwilling to work on improving the relationship, it may be time to reevaluate the partnership and consider whether it's healthy for you to continue. Remember, respect is a two-way street. It's crucial to not only demand respect from your partner, but also to extend the same courtesy to them. By fostering a culture of mutual respect, you create a safe and supportive environment where both partners can thrive and grow together. Disrespect in relationships, especially between spouses, can take many forms and can be very hurtful. It's important to recognize the different ways disrespect can manifest so you can address it in your own relationship. One common form of disrespect is disrespecting your partner's intelligence. For example, saying things like, "You're too slow," "Everything has to be repeated," implies that your partner is not smart enough to understand things the first time. This can make them feel belittled and undervalued. Another type of disrespect is disrespecting your partner's family background. Saying things like, "Why are your parents so obnoxious?" shows a lack of respect for your partner's family and upbringing. It can also make your partner feel like you're not accepting an important part of who they are. Disrespect can also come in the form of disrespecting your partner's personality, individual choices, opinions, talents, achievements, looks, or knowledge. For example, saying things like, "I can't handle your emotions," "You're so neurotic," or "You embarrassed me with your clothes," or "Are you an idiot?" Stay out of this planning shows a lack of respect for your partner as a whole person. It's important to recognize these forms of disrespect in your own relationship and to work on communicating with your partner in a more respectful way. If you're struggling with disrespect in your relationship, consider seeking help from a therapist or counselor who can help you and your partner learn to communicate more effectively and build a healthier, more respectful relationship. Disrespect in relationships is a common issue that arises due to various human traits and behaviors. One of the main reasons why we often fail to respect those close to us is that we have witnessed their flaws and weaknesses firsthand. As we become more familiar with our loved ones, we might start taking them for granted and forget to treat them with the same kindness and respect that we show to others. Another factor that contributes to disrespect in relationships is the human tendency towards domination, revenge, and selfishness. When we feel threatened or hurt, our natural instinct is to lash out and assert our own needs and desires, often at the expense of our partner's feelings. This can lead to a cycle of disrespect and resentment that can be difficult to break. To overcome disrespect in relationships, it's important to cultivate a mindset of empathy, compassion, and understanding. We need to remember that our loved ones are human too, with their own struggles and challenges. By putting ourselves in their shoes and trying to understand their perspective, we can develop a greater appreciation for their unique qualities and strengths. Additionally, it's crucial to communicate openly and honestly with our partners, expressing our needs and concerns in a respectful and constructive way. By recognizing the root causes of disrespect in relationships and taking proactive steps to address them, we can build stronger, more fulfilling connections with those we care about. Remember, respect is a two-way street, and it's up to each of us to do our part in fostering a culture of mutual understanding and appreciation within our relationships. Respect is a fundamental aspect of any healthy and fulfilling relationship, whether it's a marriage, a romantic partnership, or even a close friendship. When you respect your partner, it creates an environment of mutual understanding, trust, and appreciation, which can be the foundation for a strong and lasting connection. One of the key reasons why respect is so crucial in a relationship is that it helps to create a more positive overall dynamic. When your partner feels respected and admired, they are more likely to be able to tolerate mistakes and conflicts that may arise. Instead of feeling attacked or devalued, they can approach challenges with a more open and understanding mindset, knowing that their partner still holds them in high regard. Moreover, respect is not just about how you treat your partner, but also how you view them. When you respect your partner, you acknowledge their unique qualities, strengths, and perspectives, and you are willing to listen to and consider their opinions and needs. This mutual respect fosters a sense of equality and partnership, where both individuals feel valued and empowered to contribute to the relationship in meaningful ways. By prioritizing respect in your relationship, you can enjoy a number of benefits that can help to strengthen and sustain your connection over time. For example, when you respect your partner, they are more likely to feel secure and confident in the relationship, which can lead to greater intimacy, open communication, and a deeper sense of emotional connection. Additionally, respect can help to prevent or resolve conflicts more effectively, as both partners are more willing to approach disagreements with empathy and a desire to find a mutually satisfactory solution. Respect is a fundamental aspect of healthy relationships and a harmonious society. Here are some practical ways we can demonstrate respect in our daily lives. One of the most important ways to show respect is to actively listen to our partners and have constructive conversations. This means giving them our full attention, trying to understand their perspective, and engaging in a thoughtful dialogue, rather than simply waiting for our turn to speak. It's important to assume that our partners are good people who may make mistakes, but their intentions are generally positive. This mindset helps us approach conflicts and disagreements with empathy and a willingness to find common ground, rather than jumping to conclusions or making harsh judgments. Showing respect also means accepting our partners for who they are, even in public, and being proud of them. We should treat them as reasonable human beings and appeal to their reason, rather than belittling or humiliating them. Respect also means avoiding actions that can hurt our partners, such as taking pleasure in their suffering or making jokes at their expense. Instead, we should focus on lifting them up and recognizing their inherent worth as individuals. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can build stronger, more fulfilling relationships and contribute to a more respectful and harmonious society. Respecting others is one of the most important things we can do in our relationships and interactions with people. When you respect someone, you're telling them that they are capable and worthy of a good life, just like you are. This applies to everyone in your life, but it's especially important for the people who are closest to you. Treating others with respect means valuing their opinions, ideas, and feelings. It means being kind, considerate, and understanding, even when you might disagree with them. Respecting others also means giving them the benefit of the doubt and not making assumptions about them. By showing respect, you're helping to create a positive and supportive environment for everyone around you. When you respect others, it can have a really positive impact on your relationships and your overall well-being. It can help you build stronger, more meaningful connections with the people in your life. It can also make you feel better about yourself, because you're treating others the way you would want to be treated. Ultimately, respecting others is a key part of being a good, caring, and compassionate person. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider making a donation to support us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. You can also buy audios of our videos for repeated listening. Until next time, take care and remember to love and respect each other.